Hi everybody and welcome to Beauty for the Win. There may be some background noise from the air conditioning. It has been a really hot week in Ontario. It's been in the mid 30s and it's just brutal, so have to have the air conditioning on all the time now. Anyways, today I want to show you guys the Burt's Bees new makeup collection. I have a little booklet here and it tells me a little bit about the products that I get to try out. So this is a really natural line, 98 to 100% all natural products. Everything I have on right now is by Burt's Bees. The glossy lipstick that I have here is 505 Peony Dew. It's smooth and it does have that shine to it. Most lipsticks that you try on, I find that they just don't stay on for a long time or they feel really dry on your lips. It also says that it has raspberry seed oil, moringa oil, and community sourced beeswax. So that would be why my lips feel so smooth with this lipstick. The next that we have here is the Nourishing Eyeliner, and this is 1405 Soft Black. I'm wearing it on the bottom lid. Just your straight up black eyeliner, but it glides on really nicely. And there is some good color showing. It wasn't like I had to put it on a million times to get the color to go. It's ready to go. This eyeliner has jojoba oil, mango oil, and it also has meadow foam seed oil. Also, there's the Liquid Makeup Goodness Glows is what it's called. It is a foundation and it is, I would say, lightweight. I'm wearing it right now. It's not heavy. It doesn't feel heavy. It stays on for a really good amount of time. And this also has the meadow foam in it. This color in particular is 1025 Natural Beige. On top of the foundation, I also use the mattifying powder foundation that has bamboo in it. This particular color is called 1115 Sand. So you open it, there's the color, and then there is the application sponge. So it's very convenient. And like I said, I just put it right over top of the foundation and it gives that mattifying look and takes away any shine. So the blush has bamboo and honey in it, as well as vitamin E. This particular color is 1205 Bare Peach. And this one you just use with a brush, so there is no application sponge, it's a blush. I'm wearing the blush right now and I find that it's not really dark and dramatic. It's just very light, subtle, gives you a bit of color on the cheeks. Eyebrow pencil I'm wearing right now, it has jojoba oil as well as shea butter. The thing that I like about this is that there's the pencil, okay? And this particular shade is 1610 Brunette. And then on the other side it has the brush, so it smooths everything out. I don't know if you've ever used an eyebrow pencil and it doesn't come with a brush, or you don't have a brush and you just try to, like, you know, pencil it in. It just doesn't work. You totally need the brush. So a 2-in-1 is just perfect. I would definitely recommend this to anyone that has thinning eyebrows or you just want to shape your eyebrows. You love eyebrow pencils. This is definitely a good one to have. Next is the Nourishing Mascara, which has glycerin and jojoba oil. And this color is 1305 Classic Black. The application brush has small, fine tips there. The coverage is definitely buildable. So if you just do a couple swipes, then you're going to have a natural look. If you want a little bit more bold, just like I have right now, then you can just take your brush and go like this and do a couple coats and it'll make your lashes a lot more dramatic. Last on the new Burt's Bees makeup list is these 3 eyeshadows. And this palette in particular is 1505 Shimmering Nudes. It has bamboo in it. Colors in particular are of the brown shades. The top color is a beige. I find that brown eyeshadow just works for a lot of people. It's very neutral, it's very subtle, it's not in your face. So that's something that everyone can really benefit from. So that is all the new Burt's Bees products. I totally love them. It's really good to know that all these products have natural ingredients in them. So I know what's going on my face, I know what I'm wearing, and I just feel comfortable and my skin can breathe. So thank you so much to Topbox for giving this to me to try out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.